구독, 좋아요. 안녕하세요, 똥구입니다. 세계에서 가장 농구를 잘하는 선수들이 모인 NBA에서도 50득점을 기록하는 선수들은 상당히 적습니다. 하지만 이번 시즌에는 50득점 이상 기록한 선수들이 13명이나 되었고, 하든 혼자서만 9번을 기록하는 등 정말 대단한 퍼포먼스를 보여주었죠. 그럼 그 선수들의 활약상을 이번 영상에서 되돌아보도록 하겠습니다.
One-on-one here with Moutier. Harden steps right, tested three, got Harden in on Ntilikina to the rim, left the scoop good, set in the half court. Harden straight away for three.
To where he wants them to be.
To the foul line, good. 16 shooting. You add it all up, that's only 34% as Harden goes right.
Laps and they aren't shooting. They can't shoot at all.
Harden, 40. He has Tucker to move with his eyes, and it bounced. It's tough for Harden to get a clean look at a three on Robinson, so he just crossed him over. Got to the right, stolen by Harden. Harden for the slam to Sam,
who have yet to lose since the trade, Minnesota. Kemba, what? That is just a two-man game, and B just stands there and tries to get in the way of the defender. Batul. Kemba to step back on Muscala. To the game, maybe looking to set up your teammates and not specifically looking for your own player to get into him. I thought it threw his rhythm off a little bit, but no defender there. He was able to double box. He told me before the game his wife won't allow him to box anymore. It's Kemba. Kemba. Discontinued dribble. Kemba the up and under. Bit get the second half. Kemba. In transition. Kemba to the rim. Bridges and Zeller playing together. Kemba. Yes! Kemba. Off the window. Kemba. He's got 60. Yeah, I think Favors will kind of scare me a little bit too if I'm coming right at him.
Here as well. Booker raising up off the screen with that 32-10 night in Sacramento. He's got 6 games with at least 30 points and 10. I think this team collectively, in some ways maybe felt there's a 70th dunk of the season, EJ, which leads the NBA and is a new NBA mark since they
passed on the team. Doesn't matter. You can't give a guy a lane. He knows where he's going to pass.
3 legitimate scorers now with Booker, Daniels, and Fredette coming off the bench.
Not defensively at all.
Yeah, because it certainly has. On the baseline, Booker got the contact. Booker gets it, raising up.
Well, my thing is just man up.
Who struggled last night with his shot. He was only 4 of 12, but tonight, he's NBA. Aldridge is feeling it, works on Adams. Got it! DeRozan, great feeding shot. Out in transition. Here comes DeRozan into Aldridge. He makes the move on Adams and wins. Swarms around the defense. Aldridge over Grant. Unbelievable. Westbrook has 12 assists. They go inside. Golden State. Aldridge with 26. Works on Adams. 20 to take it. Aldridge with a long two. 22-19 in the first quarter. It's Aldridge. It's Aldridge carving his way into Patterson. Aldridge with the double team comes from the baseline side. Shot clock at 2. Aldridge gets his miss. Everything through Aldridge. With the underside screen, control that traffic. LaMarcus Aldridge.
Extremely quick. Nice. Giannis gets a little room service. Got a change here. Really surprising. Milwaukee can beat outside. He doesn't come with them, so he fires the 3 and that on either out of the paint or hitting him in the
threes. They're second in the league in threes attempted.
I don't know where they lost one there, but he's Miller, all over again. He's non-stop motion. That your second leading guy, is struggling to get shots. Marjanovic Strong move. Dirty. Nice two-man game with Giannis. Giannis posting up against Butler. Got to score. Got it for reason. Every time we show up. Giannis. Oh. He gets it back. Drives in. They took it at 40 here. Go along with 15 rebounds.
Just dribbles into a three. Klay Thompson again. Draymond cycling around. Klay Thompson. Klay Thompson. Klay in the corner again. Klay wanted that three. Holiday was aware of it. Klay Thompson.
I don't think Klay will come out until he gets 40, and I think he has. Yes.
Click. Catch and shoot three. There it is. Shot clock at 4.
I think they're looking for him to get 50.
Plays highly appropriate. For NBA history, he got it! 14 threes in a game!
It's November. He told me before the game that the training staff was concerned about the long flight to Toronto.
Because at the end of the game, they put him on the best player. As you see, the best player on the floor. Don't now getting any shot he wants to on the floor efficiently.
Durant, the nice move.
And that put a battery in Durant's back as well.
Here's Durant firing and to a 10-point. Around the lead. Nice pass, and Durant puts it down.
But OVO, he has his own line and many different things. I'm sure he can reach deep intensity to get on the ball.
Notice off the bench, he's hit 4 of 4. Durant.
Beautiful. Oh,
Final seconds.
I know he was guarding that play.
Here's Durant. 3 threes for Lowry. Durant for 3. Here's Durant. 10 seconds. Goes to the corner to shoot. 3 and the hits to tie it up. Kevin Durant. The game at both ends. Here's Durant, but he moves on Green and shoots.
Here's Pace at the same juncture. Up 4, shooter was screened that time by Cantor. Shot clock at 3, Lillard on the clock.
CJ McCollum about that before the game, and he kind of stopped it.
He's in his last 5. Lillard will weave and sneak and drive. Top 2 teams shuffling back and forth, it seems, day to day. Lillard, 3 Adams to finish. Lillard will drive. Unbelievable. Here comes Lillard, weaving, driving, bumping, shot. 3.5 to go in the third. Lillard got the Nurkic screen, now has the mismatch on Adams. Nurkic with a switch.
Nice job there by Westbrook, staying in the play.
The All-Star weekend red hot. Winning 11 of 13, but they've lost 5. Approaching 4 point. Lillard over Ferguson. Lillard trying to work inside and Adams in a fadeaway.
Prior, he was an assistant. Here's LeBron, lead pass, LBJ! Henslow, LeBron with 11 on the clock, deep 3, and here he's made 2 prior to the other 10. LeBron draws for his quarter, which I just did. He goes, oh, second and third quarter, that was ugly. Here is LeBron, got it again. On handling it. Roll by Chandler. LeBron's going to try it again. How hot is he? 11-2 Laker run now, and LeBron's going to try it again. Yes! LeBron waits for that pick from Chandler. LeBron into the lane. LeBron falls away. LeBron scores. LeBron deep, knocked down. Josh Hart, good offensive rebound. Here comes LeBron. Falls down, and LeBron is all by himself. He goes, LBJ, he's going to take it all the way. He puts it up and in. Comes the pick by Chandler. LeBron uses it. LeBron throws it up.
Real small defender.
Here he is, baseline jumper.
Bam, look at that. Bam's eyes just saying, oh, no, not me.
He's over him. Pick by McGee. LeBron. Got to do that. And here he is. He might fire one up. To get over 50. He's got it.
Crawford working on the big man now.
square. I got you. Yeah, I got it.
That is one of my favorite places.
Got one, just that message across.
Well, and that's really been part of his man.
He wants to foul on them as well. He's getting greedy now.
I don't think he's a threat to just Rudy Gobert, but well, you certainly do not want to after a year as though you're
It's a young man's game. I know fans, you run into fans.
32-24 here in this third quarter. Thanks in large part to this guy.
It's a weird feeling after an 82-game marathon. It's special. What you play the game for.
Crawford, not surprisingly, Jamal Crawford playing this one like it's a playoff game. Yeah, at the age of 39.
Oh, my.
Challenging everything, and as a result, Dallas misfiring. Crawford, heat check.
My job is to keep it alive.
Nice delivery by Davies. Steph trying to shoot. Steph just catch and shoot. Steph again.
Feeling it? Yes.
There, 7 points in the last minute.
Anybody but Curry. He had not scored this quarter until now. Shot, which he made. So he's got 2 points, and he's not concerned about that. He just wants to win. He's the best thing.
Yeah, Steph Davies.
I see. Ball's not moving at all.
They almost degraded into it. Steph three. Distance. Blake Griffin to the basket. Blake Griffin's back. Turns to the basket. Great! Sarich. Pounds it inside. Here's the shot.
1972 Philadelphia 76ers only won 9 games.
Blake Griffin down the lane to the
He's pump fake. I mean, it's a good one, but let it.
has 9 of his 11 here in the second. Blake Griffin from the wing. Blake Griffin with the basketball. Makes the pass.
Marvel at that last year with Avery Bradley, how well he cut George.
He broke now, gets it back. 6 on the clock. One dribble and a long. 2:50 left. Blake Griffin stops. 40 seconds to play. Blake Griffin backs in, turns, fires off top. Just inside 10. Blake squares up and goes it. Stops topside to Blake Griffin. Turns, drives, lays it up, lays it in, and he is fouled.
Finally gives it up. Derrick Rose straight away looking at him.
This is body control, the way that he's able to handle the basketball and get to where he wants to. So second to Towns comes over and helps alter the shot. Minnesota's shot blocking has gotten so much better.
Rose attacks. Challenge.
Belly's playing well for Sacramento.
21 points for Belly last night. Love the I need more cowbell. Love the anchor man as well. Derrick lost to the Warriors. Way the Timberwolves offense is rolling. Got a chance to threaten that here. Shot clock down to 5. Rose, who had 19 in the third. Rose. Derrick Rose out of the corner.
A lot of dribbling.
The stop, the go. Rose gets inside, puts up a tough shot. That won't drop. Another rebound. Exum has it blocked in the corner. Is for point total this year, but it's awfully young in the season. That's one of the most impressive performances.
이번 영상은 여기까지고요. 다음 영상에서 봐요. 안녕.